Hi there. My name is Marlene Atzima, and I'm the manager of the Red Rocks Communication Lab. I want to take a few minutes to walk you through how to schedule an appointment with the lab using Navigate. The first thing you want to do is log into the ROC. Once you've logged into the ROC along your dashboard here, you'll want to click on the link to Navigate. Once you've clicked on the link to Navigate, it will bring you to your Navigate homepage. Along the left here, you see a link for appointments. Click on that link. And then once you get into this appointment screen, you want to click on the Schedule an Appointment button. Once you've clicked on that, click on this drop-down menu, and if you scroll down, you'll click on Tutoring. That'll then link you to a list of tutoring services. You may see more than just one, but you're looking for Comm Lab Virtual WebEx Tutoring. Then you want to scroll down here and pick a date. Pick a date that works for you and then click on Find Available Times. You'll then see a list of times appear on the right-hand side. Pick a date and time that works for you. You can go here on the left and pick different days off of the calendar if the dates don't appear on this list here. And you want to pick a date and click on that date. Then you'll see a summary of your appointment in the tutoring department, Comm Lab Virtual WebEx Tutoring, the date, the time, the location. This is for virtual tutoring. You'll have one of the communication lab tutors, so it lists just staff, and then the details. So this information is important because this is the link that you'll use to log into the meeting. This will be emailed to you, so you can get an email reminder, and if you would like a text reminder as well, you can put your phone number in here. If there are any comments you'd like to add, information you'd like the tutor to have prior to your appointment, you can add those comments here. Once you're done, you then click the Schedule button and your appointment will be scheduled. You can then go in here and view your appointments and you'll see a list of upcoming appointments. So I can now click on this link and see my appointment. If I need to cancel it, I can go here. That's a brief summary of how to schedule an appointment with the Communication Lab. We look forward to seeing you in the lab.